Hi everyone. From today onwards, I want you to focus your time, to use your time in achieving what counts. Those who do this are priority driven. The people who learn from other people's mistakes are truly wise. Those who believe that they can only learn from their own mistakes experience pain and distress throughout the course of their lives. Time mastery is not only about mastering time at work and then discarding it at closing time. It's a holistic way of living, and it will create great balance in your life if you use it correctly. So if you plan out your days, this is going to create the balance in the use of your time. Once you've done this, you're going to move from the ordinary into the extraordinary. Beware of the time thieves. Time thieves are people who ring you just after you put your kids to sleep and you're ready to dive into one of those books that you've heard so much about. So be diligent with your time. Understand that saying no to the little things is going to set you up to saying yes to the bigger things in your life. So if the phone rings, you don't need to answer it, because remember, the phone is there for your convenience, not for the convenience of others. When people realize that you value your time and that it's precious to you, they're going to respect you a lot more. Human nature gives us the ability to do the things that we feel that we want to do, and doesn't give us the ability to do the things that we don't feel like doing so much, that don't feel good. So priority driven people, productive people, they do the things that nobody likes doing. A life of simplicity. If you live by the ritual of simplicity, it's going to allow you to savor the wonders of this world. The most tragic thing you can do is put off living. Those who live a simple life have mastered time, have mastered the use of their time. See, nature never intended us to live at a frenzied pace. And I believe those who set definite aims are the happiest in life. You see, accomplishment and achievement doesn't come through sacrificing your peace of mind. Too many people, they dream of that magical garden at the end of the horizon, when what they should be focusing on is the beautiful garden in their own backyards. So push yourself, expand your dreams, harness your energy, and understand that you don't have to live a life of mediocrity when you have such infinite potential within yourself. Yeah? Tap into your greatness. This is your birthright. Live a life, an enlightened life, because failure is impossible and success. I got a bit tongue twisted then, and success is assured if you live your life in this manner. Wipe out all thoughts of not obtaining your goals, okay? And unlimit your imagination. This is very important. Your imagination is very important to all of this. So, be the architect of your future, because we are not human beings living a spiritual life. We are spiritual beings living a human existence. I do not live in this world. This world lives within me. There'll come a day when you understand clearly exactly what I'm talking about. And it will elevate you to understanding who you truly are and what your main aim and purpose is in your life. So you see, it doesn't really matter how big your house is or how nice the car you drive is. What matters most is your conscience, because you need to listen to your conscience. Let it guide you, okay? Because it knows what's right. And your main purpose is to be selfless to others in one way or another. Now, all of this comes around to the power of our minds. You're not going to believe how powerful your mind truly is until you delve into it and understand what your secret ability is. There is thousands of people out there that have found what their secret abilities are. Like, I have the ability to heal myself, okay? Everybody has this ability to heal themselves. And if everybody has the ability to heal themselves through practice and self-discipline, everybody has the ability to levitate. There are certain people out there that can move objects with their minds. If they were to teach you what parts of their brain and what emotional aspects that they need to bring on to be able to move these objects, you are capable of this as well. We're all made of the same matter. We all are made of the same intelligence ingredients that the entire universe is made of. So when one person has an ability and teaches another person through practice, they can learn that ability. I know people who can manipulate stainless steel. They can bend stainless steel with a thought and an emotion. You're capable of doing this too if you're taught what emotion and what thought to use. We are all truly more than what we perceive ourselves to be. And this perception that has been given us throughout history is only there to hold our true evolutionary state back. So understand that it is a fallacy that we only use 10% of our brains or 13% of our brains. We use 100% of our brains every single day. It's just knowing what parts of the mind, what emotional state, and what energy to focus in these areas to give us the abilities that we are truly born with. Anyhow, I hope this opened your mind a little bit on the power of your mind. And time itself is very important. Not time in general, but how the use of your time is important. Anyhow, all the best to you, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe to my channel. The more people and the more subscriptions I get, the more people we can give this information to. And anybody who has subscribed, thank you very much. Peace and happiness to you all. My love and my heart goes out to every single person on this planet. Good luck. I'll see you next time.